get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded, get the party started. Yeah, get the party started, yeah, so let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out in front of a whole crowd.
Welcome to the video, guys. Breakfast is served, kicking off the day with some lean, mean, fat, grilling chicken and cheese toasty. Toasty, straight from the griller, never disappoint. Today, we're throwing it way back. I've been lifting weights for 6-7 years now. So let's talk about 4 things that I wish I knew before I worked out. If you're a beginner looking into weightlifting, you might want to listen up so you don't waste your time like me and maximize your gains. Alright, it's been a couple hours since we ate. We're right outside our gym, sipping on that pre-workout. Let's get on with point number 1 of this video. Time is not a good indicator. Hear me out. So I used to work out 5 times per week for 2 hours, sometimes even 3 hours straight, doing the bro split, hitting one muscle group at a time, just because I didn't know better. So a typical routine for me would be, hitting chest on a Monday, hitting back on a Tuesday, shoulders on a Wednesday, and then arms and abs on a Thursday. Yeah, I had an arms and ab day, believe it or not. And Friday, we would destroy the lower body. I would go ham on these muscle groups, thinking that the more mentally exhausted I got afterwards was my indication of a good workout. I stuck with this routine for a 1.5 years, and honestly, my strength didn't go up and I didn't see much results. The main reason was I was tracking time at the gym and not focused on increasing the weight every time I go into the gym. I would end up saving my energy at the beginning of the workout where I do my compound exercises for all the isolation exercises I have planned afterwards, so I can go all out. And that didn't give the amount of stress needed for my muscles to grow. I mean, I may have built some muscular endurance, but in terms of building strength, it's not very effective.
I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over.
Warm up is complete. Last week 130 for 5. This week we got 135 on the bar. We are aiming for 3 reps. We got choke because last week our grip was slipping. We got our belt on, so this means business. Alright, let's do this.
Don't try to stop this. Walk until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.
Yo, I don't know about you, but that moved pretty damn smooth. Obviously, I need to rewatch the footage because I'm not sure about my form. I don't know, I think I got a few more in the tank. 135. If I hit 5 reps, yo, time to upgrade to 140. That's gonna be pretty sick. Anyways, let's continue with the workout.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts. It's it. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss, and honestly I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious, rapping honest as promise. Try to harness, as an artist stay modest. It's a long quest, I will not quit till 10,000 people going off when I drop this. I gotta make it now, swear to God I'm breaking out. Swear to God I'll take a bow, stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud, saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt.
Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over.
Workout is complete. So today we had Nikki again behind the camera, working those sick angles for you guys. Point number 2 is don't chase the DOMs. Delayed onset muscle soreness, aka the DOMs. You know, the muscle soreness that you feel typically 4 to 72 hours after weight training or any strenuous physical activity. On one hand, this is completely normal, especially if you're new to the gym or new to lifting weights. You're going to feel sore at the beginning, but you don't want to be chasing after the DOMs every single time you hit the gym. A lot of beginners, including me when I first started out, use this as an indication of a good workout, but in fact it could be a sign that you're going too hard at the gym. You're always going after the DOMs, you're always going to be fatigued, and your body is always going to be sore. So every time you hit the gym, you're not going to go as hard as you can, because yeah, your body is recovering essentially. So what I suggest is, instead of chasing the DOMs, have a training log. Track your progress every time you hit the gym and go slightly heavier every single time you go in. That is the key to muscle growth. And I know I push my program quite a lot, but I'm really just here trying to help you out. All my program comes with an easy to track built-in system where essentially you can track your weight every week and make sure you go slightly heavier or do slightly more reps the next time you go in the gym. If you want to check it out, first link in the description. I'm doing a big sale right now on my website, 50% off for 30 days, so you don't want to miss out. Today we got a Korean spicy chicken bibimbap. Without bibimbap, you have to drizzle with some gochujang, which is the Korean spicy sauce that you eat with bibimbaps. It's like sweet and spicy, so if you can handle a little spice, definitely add that in. And then you're gonna mix this up. Get a little bit of everything. And I am starving right now. You already know, 10 out of 10.
Soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier.
It's like 6 p.m. over here, and look, she just got a big cup of coffee. I'm not too sure why.
Well, because I'm not old like you and I can afford having coffee at 6 p.m.
She's crazy. I cannot sleep if I have any caffeine after 2 p.m. Point number 3 is focusing too much on volume and doing isolation exercises. When I first started lifting, I definitely was someone who overemphasized on my isolation exercises and not paid too much attention on the compound movements. Now, this is probably one of my biggest mistakes because yeah, isolation exercises are good, but they are supplementary. With isolation exercises, you're really singling out that muscle group and training that muscle group specifically. So you're not really going to be going too heavy on the exercises, and it's not going to be effective if you're trying to build on strength. As soon as I switched my routine and started focusing more on compound movements, getting stronger on my compound lift, the bench, the squat, the deadlift, etc., which incorporates multiple muscle groups, you will see results way faster, ultimately translate to, the size. Dinner, we got some tortilla with egg, chicken, salad, and cheese at the bottom. Now, the key ingredient to any type of wrap is the sauce. Today, we're using this Thai sweet chili sauce. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit on this tortilla. There we go. There we go. Now that is how you wrap a big fat tortilla. Let's wrap this video up. So point number 4 is you gotta get enough sleep. This is probably the most underrated thing in fitness. Everyone is talking about, training hard, training your hardest, like training harder than last time, but just as important as training hard at the gym, you also need to be resting enough, because when you rest, that's when all the good stuff happens. Recovery becomes faster, so if you're recovering faster, you're able to lift heavier next time you're hitting the gym, and the whole cycle repeats itself. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you so much. Give this video a thumbs up, smash the like button. If you're new to my channel, welcome bro. I'll appreciate if you can hit subscribe and turn bell notification on, because I drop videos just like this every single week and you don't want to miss it. With that said, I hope everyone stays safe, stay healthy, and I'll speak to you all next week.